This is like the coolest toy ever, especially for an adult like me. I wish I would have had this toy when I was a kid. Uh-oh. See? It's nice because you can't even, it's very easy to control. The remote is very simple to use. I really like it. It is an awesome toy. It's well worth it for kids to play with. It's better than the actual real remote control cars that you get that only can do certain things. This one can do everything and you don't have to worry about it tipping over. So this is a great product. Hope you enjoyed the little video. Thank you.